Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 wagon 4MATIC. This one's a Piedmont green metallic. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury line, which is going to give you a luxury exterior and interior. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. A nut brown espresso brown MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, E400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, speed limit assist, Distronic, Burmeister sound system. Also included is the warmth and comfort package. We've got heated seats, heated armrest, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a burl walnut trim, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Wagon has 28,999 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 wagon, check out feldmanimports.com.